Hi, good morning. This is Fran. Welcome back to my channel. As I walked through the city, it was a rainy start to the day, but it was beautiful walking through the rain. If you're new to my channel, I do lifestyle videos in my 50s. I share my day, what I do in my day. As the day started with rain, the sun came out finally. I visited a farmer's market. I even took a walk through the city as the sun came out. There was a fresh breeze, there was a fresh air. It was a lovely fall day. It started rainy, but it ended up with sunshine. And this is how life might be sometimes, or your day might start cloudy, but it ends in happiness and joy. As you go through this day and you enjoy your fall day, please remember to enjoy every minute, enjoy the rainy moments, and enjoy the sunshine. This is Fran, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye.